In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave from a project in Todoist. If you've been added to a shared project that you no longer need to be part of, it's a good idea to leave it so your workspace stays clean and focused. Maybe the project is finished for you, or it's simply no longer relevant to your work. Whatever the reason, leaving a project in Todoist is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through each part of the process so you know exactly what to expect. First, open Todoist and navigate to the project you want to leave. Make sure you're in the correct project, especially if you have several with similar names. You want to be absolutely certain you're exiting the right one, because leaving a project means you'll lose direct access to its tasks and comments. Once you're inside the project, look for the option related to sharing. Depending on the device or version you're using, this is usually labeled as Share, or shown as an icon that represents sharing. Go ahead and click on Share. This is the same place you would go if you were inviting other people to the project, but it's also where you'll find the option to leave it yourself. After you click on Share, a menu or window will appear showing the list of people who have access to the project, along with various sharing settings. In that same view, you should see an option that says Leave or Leave Project. Click on that. By doing this, you're telling Todoist you no longer want to be a collaborator on this specific project. When you click Leave, Todoist will typically display some on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. This is an important safeguard so you don't leave a project by accident. Carefully read what the message says. It may remind you that you'll lose access to the project and its tasks once you leave. If you're sure you no longer need it, follow the on-screen prompts. This usually means clicking a confirmation button like Leave or Yes, Leave Project. Once you confirm, Todoist will remove you from the project. You'll no longer see it in your project list and you won't receive updates or notifications from it. If you ever need access again, you can ask the project owner or another collaborator to re-invite you. That's all there is to it. Open the project, click on Share, click on Leave, and then follow the on-screen prompts to confirm.